How to download Chatgpt application in Android. Now let's get started. First of all, open up the Google Play Store in your mobile device. Now, once you land in this homepage, navigate at the top on the search bar and on the search bar type in Chatgpt. After you search for it, this Chatgpt application will load up in your interface. So from there, simply tap on install. Now, depending upon your internet connection, it might take few times to get downloaded. Once the application is downloaded, simply open up the application. After you open it, you will receive some kind of information. Make sure you read all of this and then tap on continue. After that, you can simply chat in ChatGPT or you can sign up or sign into your account. So that's how you can download ChatGPT application in your Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.